Which intermediate sewing machine is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that, cutting through the hype to show you 5 machines that really perform for sewists ready to level up.
Product number 1, Brother XM2701. Let's start with the Brother XM2701, a lightweight, no-frills machine that surprised me with how capable it feels for the price. It's white, compact, and weighs just 12.6 pounds, making it easy to move around or store. If you want something simple but solid that won't overwhelm you with settings, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It has 27 built-in stitches, including stretch and blind hem stitches, perfect for mending clothes or sewing knits without skipping. The automatic needle threader and drop-in top bobbin are huge time savers, especially if you've ever struggled with threading in dim light. Plus, it comes with 6 presser feet and a free arm for sewing sleeves or cuffs, which beginners often overlook but intermediates really appreciate. Over 4,000 people bought this in the last month, and while there aren't public reviews yet, Brother's reputation for reliability backs it up. Now, some people might complain about the lack of a speed control slider. This machine goes full speed unless you ease off the foot pedal. Here's the thing though, if you're careful and practice your pedal control, it's not a deal breaker. It's more of a learning curve than a flaw. This is perfect for you if you're stepping up from a basic machine and want more stitch options without going computerized. Skip this one if you plan on heavy quilting or need precise speed control for detailed work. For under $200, it's a steal for everyday sewing.
Product number 2, Brother XR9550. If the XM2701 felt too basic, the Brother XR9550 steps it up with serious quilting power. Priced at $269.99, this computerized machine has 165 built-in stitches, including 55 alphanumeric ones for monogramming, and an LCD screen that makes stitch selection actually fun. If you want versatility and precision for both garments and quilts, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The wide table gives you room to handle large quilt blocks, and the 8 included presser feet cover everything from zippers to buttonholes. The automatic needle threader and jam-resistant bobbins save frustration, especially during long projects. Plus, with 110 utility and decorative stitches, you can tackle everything from home decor to fashion sewing. It's also lightweight at 10.1 pounds, so it won't wreck your back during setup. Now, some people complained about the hardcover feeling flimsy because of the styrofoam lining, and honestly, that part frustrated me too. Here's the thing though, the foam protects the machine during shipping and use, just don't remove it like the manual says. It's not meant to be a premium case, but it does its job. This is perfect for you if you quilt regularly or want a machine that grows with your skills. Skip this one if you only sew lightweight fabrics or hate digital interfaces. At under $270, it's a powerhouse for the price.
Product number 3, Singer Heavy Duty 4411. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better if you work with thick fabrics. The Singer Heavy Duty 4411 costs $189.99 and packs 50% more power than standard machines, built for denim, canvas, even leather. If you want brute strength without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It delivers 1,100 stitches per minute, so you finish projects faster. And the metal frame prevents vibration when sewing heavy layers. The 11 built-in stitches unlock 69 applications, including a 4-step buttonhole, so you're not stuck with basics. The top drop-in bobbin has a clear cover, so you'll never run out of thread mid-seam. It's also surprisingly compact, fitting on smaller tables. Now, some people said the stitch selection dial feels stiff at first, and I'll be real with you, it does take a few tries to get used to. Here's the thing though, once it loosens up, it's smooth and reliable. It's not a design flaw, just a break-in period. This is perfect for you if you make bags, upholstery, or work with multiple fabric layers. Skip this one if you mostly sew delicate silks or want one-touch buttonholes. For under $190, it's a tank that outperforms its price.
Product number 4, Brother CS7000X. If the XR9550's wide table impressed you, the Brother CS7000X takes workspace even further. At $279.99, this machine has 70 built-in stitches, a large needle-to-arm area, and comes with a wide table and 10 presser feet.
If you want room to grow into quilting and advanced techniques, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The fixed needle bar and metal frame ensure consistent stitching, even on stretchy knits or thick quilts. The improved automatic needle threader is genuinely easier than older models. No more squinting or rethreading twice. Plus, the LCD screen lets you preview stitches before sewing, which saves time and mistakes. It's also backed by Brother's lifetime support, so help is always a call away. Now, some users noted it's heavier at 14 pounds, and yeah, it's not something you'll carry to classes easily. Here's the thing though, that weight adds stability, especially when free motion quilting. It's a trade-off, not a flaw. This is perfect for you if you're serious about quilting or sewing larger garments. Skip this one if you need ultra portability or only do light mending. For under $280, it's one of the best value computerized machines out there.
Product number 5, Singer Heavy Duty 4452. If the 4411 was tough, but you want more stitch variety, the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 delivers. At $219.99, it has 32 built-in stitches that create 110 applications, including a true one-step buttonhole, and still handles thick fabrics like a champ. If you want power and precision in one package, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The enhanced motor gives extra piercing power for multiple layers, and the included walking foot helps feed bulky fabrics evenly. The all-in-one accessory kit means you won't need to buy extras right away. Everything from non-stick feet to quilting guides is included. Plus, the free Creative app gives you tutorials and troubleshooting, which is great if you're learning new techniques. Now, some people said the plastic parts feel less premium, and honestly, I noticed that too. Here's the thing though, the internal frame is metal, so durability isn't compromised. It's just the outer housing that's lighter. This is perfect for you if you sew everything from jeans to quilts and hate buying add-ons. Skip this one if you prefer fully metal exteriors or only work with lightweight fabrics. At under $220, it's a workhorse with serious versatility.
So which one should you pick? The Brother XM2701 for simplicity, the XR9550 for quilting, the Singer 4411 for heavy fabrics, the CS7000X for space and growth, or the 4452 for all-around power. Each fits a different need, so think about your projects, not just the specs. Drop your favorite below. I'd love to hear what you're sewing next.